First solar on the daily chart, series of higher highs and higher lows, currently trading up above this 200 moving average on the daily. I look at the history of this chart, found another pullback similar in dollar amount. First off, this pullback right here is very similar to this one right here. I'm looking to see the smaller pullback right here we're getting right now, and I did find a three price relationship. We can use this pullback here, and also this pullback over here. These pullbacks are very similar in dollar amount. I like to see if this pocket of potential support can hold right around 225 and some change. On the hourly chart, price is currently trading below this 200 moving average. I'm going to set myself an alert to make sure that price can bounce right back up above that 200 on the hourly chart. This is what I'm looking for. Price coming into this pocket of potential support but not breaking below, then providing me with a trigger to go long on a 15-minute time frame. If First Solar starts to exhibit this behavior here, then I like to go long with correct position sizing. Look at the fundamentals, we're looking strong. 2021, 2.9 billion, 2022, 2.6 billion, 2023, 3.3 billion, trailing 12 month, 3.7 billion. We do have that increasing top line revenue. Took a loss back in 2022, but on the quarterly basis, you can see this past year is making a lot of great progress. Of course, none of this financial advice. Hi everyone, John here. I recently put together a PDF on Fibonacci trading. You guys can check out the link in the descriptions below. I'll also put it in the comments. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? We go over setups in cryptocurrencies as well as US equities to help you grow your account. Subscribe now and hit that notification button. We look to hearing from you in the comments area.